Welcome everyone. As we have seen a lot of volatility, if you recollect in my weekend video, I had mentioned there will be a lot of ups and downs this week. And you've already seen a lot of it. Over the last 2 days, particularly, has been exceptionally violent. I have tried to even give timings, so plus and minus, so people can trade a little comfortably. In my Telegram group, we give even more detail. By the way, those who are still not subscribed to my Telegram, please do so. Number is 982-086-1044. You can write your name and this on this number and we will send you the details. I'll be very frank with you. There are some data costs which we have to recover. People don't mind paying it. We give very good service. Nobody is taking even a single rupee. But the cost that we charge is only for data. You have to please understand and bear with me on that front. It's still very minimal. Markets are very volatile and tremendous amount of effort and data mining is required to tell you where we are headed. Markets can be equally turbulent tomorrow, the options expiration day. Turbulence is everywhere now. There are some talks of a fresh lockdown in Mumbai and in parts of Maharashtra due to resurgent COVID 19 cases. The mayor has said that people have to wear masks and do many other things. But I think and one should not mind, I'm not pointing at anyone, but there is one thing which I found lacking is that if you look at buses, full of people standing, sitting close to each other, standing thousands of them in a bus. That's not the way. You should just not allow it. There are conductors in the bus standing, the conductors down. They're allowing people to get in, dime a dozen, dozens of them just standing, breathing down each other's neck. Many times I've said that coronavirus has a messages of social distancing. It's not been practiced well in the developing nations like India. Social distancing is just not there. You look at the ticket counter, people are breathing down each other's neck. You just learn that. What can vaccine do? People think, oh, vaccine will come and everything will be okay. Not so. Social distancing, until and unless you learn the message of social distancing, coronavirus is not going to go away. There will be new strains and it will keep coming up. It's the message of nature, of God, that we all have to learn. Tomorrow you can see a fall between 1 and 1:25 p.m. So be cautious. Those who would like to take positions, do it, but do your own homework as well before you invest your hard-earned money. So turbulence continues tomorrow. And if you want to learn in more detail, definitely do get in touch with us. Do WhatsApp us with your name. Number is 982-086-1044. Do not forget to write the purpose of your WhatsApp message. Many are just writing hello, namaste, Jai Hind, which Jai Hind to everyone. I always say that, but exactly say why you're writing and what you want from us. Okay, so I hope that the markets have been overbought, and I have been saying it for quite some time. So let's not, think that nothing is there. Now the question is that how long this turbulence will last? Where are we headed? That's a multi-million dollar question or a multi-million rupee question, whatever way you like to call it. Together we will find this whole thing out. Do stay in touch and we will work this out together. So we'll tell you where are we headed. Is a crash round the corner, or we are yet in a strong bull market? A small correction is happening right now. Happy investing and do get in touch with us. I've given you the number. Take care. Bye bye.